Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this BMW E90. This is a 328 Xi 2008 model. We bought that thing and you can see somebody hit the fake M stickers here that faded away and they're stuck to the paint so bad. I don't know whether we'll be able to remove them. We'll have a video on that, I think we'll be able to, but we need to remove the cover just in case it doesn't work. We're going to paint it, so stay with us guys and we'll show you how to remove it now. So you can use a small prying tool like that, guys, or a flathead screwdriver with a electrical tape around it. And what you need to do, you need to start prying right here on top a little bit, but just a little bit at a time. Don't go too much, because if you do, you can break it. Okay, so you need to go just a little bit every time. And after that, you need to come on the bottom, between the two pieces again. Okay, and just pry it like that. Next, you will have a little bit right here. Okay, and the cover, guys, is out of there, as you can see, and that's the mirror without the cover. You can actually buy those aftermarket ones. They have them in carbon fiber as well. They look pretty cool. So yeah, that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.